Hi guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. But first, open the settings, then find and select Biometrics and Password, click on Fingerprint ID. Now you have to draw your unlock pattern, and if you don't have one, you will have to provide a new one, and click on Unlock Device. Now just place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is in the middle of the screen, at the bottom of this, obviously. So you've got the icon here. Just keep lifting your finger and then place it on the sensor till it is fully added. You'll be informed on your screen. And that's it. From now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.